Hey, how's it going, everybody? My name is Andrew Pitko. I'm out here in Mill Creek Metro Parks right now for the 5th episode of the Know the Invaders series. And today's invasive plant, shrub that we will be covering is 𝘍𝘳𝘢𝘯𝘶, or better known as Glossy Buckthorn. Glossy Buckthorn is a very highly invasive shrub. It can pop up as a small tree in some areas, but this invasive plant is native to Europe, North Africa, and parts of Western Asia, so like Russia, Ukraine kind of area as well. It's found widely across the European continent though. But this invasive plant was first brought to North America in the 1800s to be used as an ornamental shrub in some areas. In other areas, it was specifically actually the Midwestern part of the United States, so our region, Glossy Buckthorn was planted to be used as wildlife cover and to actually restore and improve the environment. It was originally intended to do that, but little did they know how highly invasive this plant was. And by the 1900s, it was widely established across the country here. And it pretty much, it's drought tolerable, it could grow anywhere. As you can see behind me, it's pretty much grown along the side of this bridge here, which is very poor soil conditions. But it's pretty remarkable how this plant could just spread. But it is a very negative plant to the environment. So what makes Glossy Buckthorn very negative to the environment is its ability to just practically spread everywhere. These berries here, birds eat them and widely disperse them pretty much everywhere. And these berries actually, it's pretty much like eating junk food to the native bird species in our country. It's not a good source of nutrition for them. But the birds spread the berries everywhere, and Glossy Buckthorn establishes itself in dense thickets like behind me here, and it shades out native trees, plants, and wildflowers. And it's been known to actually take over prairies and damage farm fields and other grass fields as well. And it's just a very highly invasive shrub. Additionally, Glossy Buckthorn has been known to be a very good host to spread viruses and funguses to other plants, especially farm crops like soybeans. So this plant just is very negative. However, with that being said, it is very easy to remove this plant wherever it is. Even though it's invasive, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is just dig out the root systems, and the plant will just die off immediately. Herbicides work as well. But if you're pretty much mowing and maintaining an area, the seeds will never be able to sprout. Only in areas that aren't as maintained does this plant appear. But compared to other invasives, this one's one of the more easier ones to remove from your property. But yeah, Glossy Buckthorn.